Today's IT service desks are under pressure to support an expanded remote workforce and diverse technology platforms and devices, all with limited resources. BeyondTrust Remote Support empowers service desk teams with a single, secure solution to resolve support and technology challenges for any device, on any platform, inside or outside your network. Many service desks leverage a patchwork of support tools, creating both inefficiencies and security risk. A comprehensive remote support solution enables faster incident resolution and higher end-user satisfaction, while protecting your organization from data breaches. BeyondTrust Remote Support is built to make your entire service desk more productive, efficient, and secure. With BeyondTrust Remote Support, you can speed time to resolution with features like chat, intelligent routing, and automation. Control costs by consolidating to one support solution. Fix off-network devices, such as robots, machines, and any other devices that aren't connected to the Internet. Easily manage unattended access to hundreds or thousands of systems. Streamline processes with simple, out-of-the-box integrations with your existing ITSM solution, such as ServiceNow. BeyondTrust also satisfies your security and compliance requirements, unlike point-to-point remote access tools such as RDP, VNC, or online meeting tools. Included security features enable you to grant the right level of access, record all session activity, control passwords in the service desk with BeyondTrust Vault. With BeyondTrust, IT service desk teams are empowered to increase productivity, improve security, and deliver a superior user experience. Get a personalized demo of BeyondTrust Remote Support today.